Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem.
I'm just kidding. Oh, snap. I've been debating, should I cut my bangs?
You basic.
And after a few weeks of debating, I've decided that I am going to cut it.
Calling all the basic bitches. There's a new announcement. You're basic.
With the safer at home extended, what better thing to do than to cut your hair? Snip, 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 snip. It's really hot. What intonation? What intonation? Can you imagine it? But I don't know if I'm gonna regret this because it's getting really hot and it's gonna stick to my forehead. But okay, I'm really sweating out here. Let's do it. Will I regret this? Dude, imagine I actually cut it. Will I regret this? I don't know. It's happening for real today. I was gonna cut it yesterday, but I got scared and I was like, no, but it's happening today. Let's get this show on the road. Going outside so the hair doesn't fall on the bathroom floor. Where are my regular bangs? Oh, they're all here. Oh, here, whoa. Okay, these. I'm outside, my sister's next to me. I got the hair cutting scissors. Let the show begin. Okay, I'm making this so dramatic. I'm just cutting my hair. I think this is kind of a look. Come hither and cut me hair. The sleeves are being rolled. How shall we do this?
Okay, you do this, right?
Well, that's so much, is it not?
That's enough, right? Isn't this good? It's gonna be kind of like this.
Yeah. I'm scared.
I'm gonna do it, okay? I'm gonna do it, okay?
Okay. Well, now I can't go back. Should I just keep it like this?
Yeah. So now what? Middle first?
Oh, my nose itches.
Okay.
POV at the salon.
Like this?
Okay, just try. And it's raining hair on me, bro.
It's fine, bro. Okay. That's
No.
Okay, wait.
What have I done?
Wait, I show more videos.
What have I done?
Wait, not yet. Wait, I can kind of see the look. It's like slowly okay.
Look at all that hair.
Is that necessary? This is what you need. Okay. 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 It's not that bad.
What? It's too short.
Is it?
I don't know.
Cut it. Move.
Wait, let me see.
Look, it's not even bad.
What is this? Actually, yeah,
It's not bad. I just have to
I
make
don't
it
really
look
understand what's going on.
Me neither.
Oh
That's good. Oma! 도와줘. It's a lot harder than I thought.
What?
Wait, no, it's getting there. It's getting there. Trust.
왠지 뚝 잘랐어.
엄마 사랑이 매주기만 해봐. 추사랑 되면 진짜 화낼 거야 나. 자, 이것을
동그랗게. So my battery died again, but now it's charged and I'm ready to finish this. Was this cute, guys? Mm-hmm. Is that cute? Is that cute to you, Liz?
Why? It's fine. And just cut it at an angle. You feel like that right
I
here.
feel. Go.
Okay. Okay. In little increments.
Wait. Okay.
Wait. Okay.
What is that?
Wait, like this is.
Anime! This is straight Yuki right here. Alright, let's freaking do this.
Bro, I can't believe that's getting worse. No, look at that.
Oof. Okay, no, I don't even know.
Oh.
I don't know what to do with this!
Wait. Okay, let me just cut it like this. I'm gonna cut it, okay? Okay.
Look at lips. Look at it. Just look at it one time.
But this is so good though.
I know, and you fucked up the other side.
It's not even that dramatic.
Don't matter if I hate it. It's been cut. I can't go back.
It's not okay.
Cute.
This needs to
Was it
stop now.
Good. Cut it yourself. You're the one who asked me.
I know, because you did such a wonderful job last time.
Well, it's wonderful this time too. It's like cute.
Ah, frick frack patty. Ah! Okay, oh. I honestly don't know how I feel about this. It's fine. It's cut. That's what I think overall. Yeah. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Your hair is short and your forehead is covered now. Okay. Oh my god. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Alright, well, thank you for watching and I will see you guys next time. Adios!